Hello everyone, let's start with our new topic or the continuation of our data type, which is the third data type, number data type. So, coming to our third data type, which is number data type. Okay, so what is number data type? By name only we understand that whenever a column to be assigned as a number or consist of a number like age or salary or bonus, all these columns need to be assigned as what number, right? At that time, we'll go for number data type. Now, coming to the syntax. Okay, coming to the syntax. What should be syntax? So, column name along with the number, along with the data type, which is number, you have to mention a precision and scale. Okay, it is same as a size. Like how many precision is same as a size. Like how many numbers your number data type will hold. Okay. Now, whenever I mention anything in square bracket, anything like whenever I mention a square bracket in any syntax, it means without using this bracket value, also you can uh, use your syntax. Okay. Now, suppose I want each column with number data type, where I mention the precision as 3. Means what does this means? Up to 3 digits it can take. The age column can take up to 3 digits. It's 999. But the moment you want to insert a value 1000, it won't take it. Okay. Now I can mention my salary as a number with uh, suppose 10, where I mention a scale as a 5. Means you'll have 10 digits. Okay. But the scale means after 5 digit it will take it as a decimal, like here 1 2 3 4 5, and here it will give you a decimal point. The scaling is nothing but it will tell you from which point your decimal starts. In this case it starts from 5. Okay, and even if we don't use a precision like we didn't use here, it won't throw an error. Okay, so both the syntax is correct. Since I said anything mentioned in square bracket is not mandatory to use in a syntax to work, right? Okay, for a syntax to work. Okay, so we have seen a column which has numbers in it. For that we can go for number data type. Syntax is this and examples are these. Okay, and one more thing to keep in mind, your precision should not exceed 38 integer digits. Okay, so your maximum precision should be like age number 38. If you wanted to insert a 39, it will throw you an error. Okay, so that's it for your number data type. Coming to our fourth data type, which is date. Okay, so fourth is date data type. It's simple. Whenever a column consists of date of birth, date of joining, or anything related to date, will use which data type? Date data type. Okay, first thing is this. Syntax is simple. Your date column name and date. That's it. This is your syntax. No arguments, nothing. You just have to mention the column name along with the data type. Okay. Now, also, when you insert a value into a date column, it should be inside a single quote, similar to varchar, similar to char. Okay. Now, we have two formats where you can save date. Okay. One is ddmonYY. Okay. One is ddmonYY. So in these two formats, you can insert a value into a date column. Okay. So this is just the date column. Moving on to our next data type, which is large object. Large object has when you want to store large amount of data, when you want to store, but the name suggests only, right? When you want to store large datas, right? And it has two types. Okay, one is character large objects. Is binary large objects. Okay. Now, Coming to the character large objects. Okay. When you want to store uh, large documents, right? Large documents, which is huge size. When you have huge size of data, at that time we'll go for character object. Okay. The syntax is, suppose a column you have which need to be assigned as a character large object, you just have to write like this: column name along with the data type, which is CLOB. This is the syntax. Okay. Now, one more thing you keep in mind when it comes to character large object is that it can hold up to 4 GB of size. Okay. Now coming to the binary large objects. So here also you can hold up to size is 4 GB of size, like 4 GB. It can hold up to 4 GB. And when I when I say it's binary large objects, you can store here like video, okay, video files, audio files, okay, image files, like that you can store here. Okay. Syntax is similar to the CLOB. Your column name along with binary, your blob keyword. Okay, that's it. So these are the 5 important data types that you should keep in mind: char, varchar, number, date, and large objects. Thank you.